In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. Sometimes, whether due to a mistake or simply wanting a fresh start, you might find yourself needing to clear everything out of your QuickBooks Online account. Don't worry, this process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, we need to look at the URL at the top of your browser when you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. You'll notice it contains a lot of specific information about your account. All you need to do is navigate to the address bar and locate the last part of the URL. Here's where you make a crucial edit. Change the last word in the URL to Purge Company. That's right, just replace it with Purge Company and then press Enter. This step is essential as it directs you to the right page to begin the process of erasing your data. Now, if your QuickBooks Online company was created less than 60 days ago, you're in luck. You have the option to delete all your data smoothly. Once you're on the Purge page, you'll see an option to confirm your intent by clicking Yes. Doing this will effectively erase all data associated with your account, allowing you to start over as if you've never entered any information before. This is a handy option for those who perhaps started setting up their books and realized they needed to take a different direction, or made errors they'd rather clean up with a fresh start. However, things work a bit differently if your company was created more than 60 days ago. At this point, QuickBooks doesn't allow a simple purge. Instead, what you'll need to do is cancel your subscription. While this might sound like a big step, it's really quite manageable. After canceling, you'll need to sign up for a new account. Essentially, this gives you a blank slate, a brand new environment to set up your company information from scratch. Just ensure that you save any important data you might need, because once you cancel, the data linked with the old account won't be easily retrievable. And that's all there is to it. As you go through this process, remember that starting anew can be a chance to refine your setup and streamline your business processes with fresh eyes. Whether you're wiping the slate clean within the initial 60 days or setting up a new account afterward, ensure you're prepared with a plan for how you'll re-enter your information accurately. I hope this guide helps you manage your QuickBooks Online experience with more confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.